Good to see the MaxTrack Live Doppler without much on it, but guess what's knocking on our door just off to the west? A line of showers and thunder showers from parts of northern Indiana going right down to the west of Paducah. Not going to be an issue for us today, although they may hold together enough to give some issues out towards far western Kentucky. I think this whole line should eventually wash out, and then we'll watch for redevelopment later on tonight and especially into tomorrow. There's a cold front on the move. So they extend those showers all the way up into Michigan, the Mitten, and then as you run down through Illinois and rolling down through Little Rock, west of Little Rock there. This frontal boundary, as it works in, not really a cold front, more of a cool front. There's not going to be a huge temperature drop, but it will spark some scattered showers and thunder showers starting tonight, but mainly tomorrow. And then just take a little bit of the edge off the heat and humidity because we've got both. As far as the severe threat goes, you've got these patches of a marginal risk kind of, crisscrossing out into western parts of the United States. This has been expanded actually along the Mississippi River Valley into western Kentucky for that line later on today. And then tomorrow it bumps up into upstate New York. So not a huge severe threat here, but the cloud shield associated with this line, very obvious. And of course, we're enjoying some sunshine here. Another point to watch, remember last week we had that batch down over the Gulf that had the potential for some maybe tropical development and then never did. Well, there's another wave way down south towards San Juan, potential for development there. That batch, that cluster of storms, eventually over the next few days is going to roll northwest, west-northwest, and then could recurve toward Florida, the southeastern U.S., offshore, but still does bear watching. Again, late this weekend, early next week time frame for that, if there is any development. Now the future track here, trying to get an isolated shower or two going later on this afternoon. Very limited possibility for that, but overnight, a few showers and thunder showers, and then tomorrow as that front slides in, we'll have some scattered showers and thunder showers developing. This is through the course of the day, on and off, then they should rapidly diminish into the evening as drier air comes in behind that frontal boundary. But we could actually use a shot of rain after that incredibly soggy June where it just felt like it was never going to quit raining. We ended up with our 11th wettest June on record. We've had a big-time rainfall deficit going. We are on now our 7th day precipitation free, no measurable precipitation. If we make it through today without popping any out at Bluegrass Airport, that would be our longest run so far this year of precipitation-free days. Roughly probably about a quarter to a half an inch of rain tomorrow. So it's not going to be a huge soaker. It'll be scattered in nature. Not everybody will get hit, but there's still a good chance for it tomorrow. That's our one really good shot at it this week until maybe late in the weekend. 86, it's warm out there. We're already up to our average high, and it is on the muggy side. We're not as steamy as we were during our recent heat wave, but we still got dew points in the mid to upper 60s. The air temperature for today in the mid 80s already and pushing that 90-degree mark. If you look at the 8-day, once we get these showers and thunder showers through Tuesday, we've got an incredible run of days. Highs right around or either side of average. Try to hold that next chance for showers and storms off late in the weekend, early next week.
All right.